Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today Amanda and I were down in the cellar and we were just going through all the inventory down there, just checking things out. And we found some pickles. And so we're going to try them. Look at this, guys. Bread and Butter 2010. Danny's wife Debbie put these up in 2010. So Amanda and I are going to do a taste test from Bread and Butter Pickles from 2010. Okay, so we have Amanda opening them, and we're going to see.
Let's see.
Yeah, the smell test. What do they smell like?
Like bread and butter pickles.
Yes, and they still look good.
We're
going to put some in a jar so you can see them, or in a bowl, I guess you would say. And there's still some green color to them. I mean,
I thought it was going to be mushy, but it's not. They're still crisp.
Are you serious? Okay, I got to see this. Very strong.
Oh my gosh.
Pickle taste.
They're strong. They're really strong, but I thought they would be mushy. I mean, it's 8 years old in a jar.
Put some more on there.
And see, when you put the fork in it, that's not mush.
It's very still.
It's like, it's very
You can
crisp.
cut it.
Very crisp.
The onions and stuff were on the top, but
they're just really, really super strong because they've been sitting in the brine for 8 years. But
yeah,
they're still
for 8
edible.
years. And they would be very good in anything.
Yeah, you could use these. I'd use them.
2010 pickles, guys.
2010 pickles in 2018. What?
They are awesome.
They are good.
So Amanda and
I can't believe the texture.
We're going to be adding these pickles to something. We're doing an all veggie night. So what are we cooking tonight?
So tonight we're having a veggie night. We're going to do a squash casserole, pink eye, purple whole peas, fried okra. We're going to do an apple crisp for dessert, and peas and carrots. It's going to be amazing. We're just going to have all kinds of veggies from their cellar. I am so envious of this cellar. I want my own, and I want to stock it with my own food. If you're not growing a garden this year, you need to start now. We're also going to go out and get some lettuce. She has romaine lettuce and like a butter lettuce. Is that a butter lettuce? And we're going to get some salad stuff and have that tonight as well. It's going to be amazing. I can't wait.
Okay, guys, we're fixing to start cooking. So thank you, Amanda, for coming to Deep South and cooking in my kitchen.
You're welcome. Thanks for letting me.
And thank you for trying 8-year-old pickles.
That was amazing.
Thank you, guys.